Someone asked me, what is Krishna and who is Krishna? I smiled and answered, one who is more attractive than any other attraction in this world is Krishna. The one, after knowing whom, in real sense, we forget all our pain, all our affliction from this illusionary world is Krishna. The one who is the mightiest of all other is Krishna. He is the one from whose name true love begins. He is the one from whose body the fragrance of Kasturi lingers always. He is the one who is the dream of every beautiful lady and girl, as the dream of every queen. He touches the poison and makes it nectar for every life on this planet and in this universe. He is eternal and infinity. He exists in every cell of a human body and in every living organism. He is manifesto. He presents in every soul and makes it pure and makes it the purest in every form. He is pure love. He is destructor of every sin. His presence can change the hell to a heaven. He can change the sorrow to happiness. His body in the battlefield becomes tough like iron and soft and tender like lotus and cotton when being with gopis. He never commenced and will never destructor of the biggest problem of life within a moment. And similarly, he is a discoverer of the biggest happiness of life. His addiction is the best addiction on this earth. There is no other addiction which can compete the addiction of Lord Krishna. And so, he is Krishna. Now let me describe about his appearance. His lips, his face, his eyes, his laughter, his heart, his walking. Everything about him is so sweet and charming. The way he speaks, the way he dresses up, the way his nature is, the way his posture is, his walking, his creation of confusion. Everything about him is so wonderful. The way he plays the flutes, the way he looks at the flowers, his hands, his feet, his dance, his friendship. Everything about his nature is so sweet and charming. His singing, his drinking, his eating, his sleeping, every form of his is remarkable, is lovable, is adorable. His mark on his forehead, everything about him is just wonder, is just wonder. His act, carrying over, stealing, divine love, play with gopis, exuberance, his relaxation, his humming, his garland, river, waves, water, lotus, and everything around him is so appreciating, is so adorable. Gopias around him, divine play with them, togetherness, sitting free, glancing at Radhe, his courtesy, and love for each and every animal on the earth, every human beings on the earth is so beautifully crafted. Gopas, cows, staff creation, breaking your making, and everything about him is so wonderful and charming. This is something about Lord Krishna. It's just love and adorable love. The path of heaven, the path towards the celestial body is only and only Krishna. The only thing that at the last I would like to say you and share you on this Janam Ashtami is love for Krishna that will heal you just by his words. Radhe Radhe.